All right, so today I'm going to be replacing the taillight gasket in my Subaru. I'm actually going to be replacing both of them. I noticed I had a tiny leak in the trunk, and I've already replaced this trunk seal, and that wasn't the issue, so it's probably going to be the taillight gasket. And this is the one that had a little leak, as I noticed it was in the trunk with the spare tire. But I just went ahead and ordered both sides just to do it now. Here's the part numbers. These are the Subaru part numbers for the left and the right. And so, yeah, I've got this side off and went ahead and cleaned it. All right, first thing you need to do is pop this tab off here so you can pull back this panel. And I just used a screwdriver and just kind of slid it underneath and, side to side slowly just worked it out. Just be careful there. It's plastic and it will kind of break easily. And here you can see the 4 8mm nuts you're going to need to remove. There's one in the back there. On this side, it was kind of hard to see, but one of them behind this wire clip here. So once you pulled this off, you could see the threaded portion of the bolt. And that was on the, it's kind of on the far end over here. So yeah, first thing you should probably do is disconnect the wiring there and then just go ahead and undo all of the bolts there. Okay, everything's disconnected on the back side. When you do pull this out, you'll notice that the old gasket just kind of stuck to it. Just have to kind of pry it out a little bit. There is a little clip on the end. It clips into there. So just kind of gently pull it out and just pull it straight out. It should come off pretty easily. There we go. This side has been pulled off. This side didn't have any leaks. You can see the seal was probably okay, but if you're going to do one side, you might as well just do the other. You can usually buy these. As a pack of 2 for a left and right. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace both of them now. And while you're at it, you can clean up. So you can see some of the gasket material is still up here. Go ahead and clean this area here. I'm actually going to take the extra step, and I need to detail the car anyway, so I'm going to kind of clean this up here and correct the paint on the top of the bumper now that the taillight won't be. All right, so obviously reinstalling these is going to be pretty straightforward, so there's really no reason to record it. But one thing I did want to mention is the left and the right gaskets look identical, but the difference is where the adhesive strip on the gasket is. So there is a left and a right because this adhesive strip is going to it's going to secure the gasket along the edges once you pull off that protective cover. So yeah, you definitely want to make sure to either order a set and make sure you use the left and the right, or order the side that you need to replace. But yeah, this is all cleaned up. There was a little bit of adhesive from the old gasket that you'll want to make sure to remove to get to make sure you get a really good seal. But yeah, otherwise I'm gonna put the gasket on and put it back on.